Guys, here's another shot of it. You're seeing it now at 2.65%, the FUNFAIR. She's going to get up to 0.12, $436. This is awesome. I've never seen it go up this high. This is crazy. This could be a money making. Now, the volume is still at the same volume. This is very good. 3% it's up to now. 3%. Okay, guys. That is crazy. That is very good. It's definitely a 3.81%. It's flying. Oh, this is gonna fly. Oh, it's at 400. Okay, this is. Oh, I've never seen this go this high. Oh, Jesus! Tonight, 5%. Holy shit! Okay, so this is FUNFAIR, and I told you it's starting to climb like nutso. Hey, let's see what she got. $441. You can make some money on this if it climbs. Come on, keep going, baby. 3.70. So this is FUNFAIR, and I told you guys get up there and buy it. And three. Come on, can we keep going? That's not 5.78. That son of a bitch is driving. And she's still driving here a little lower, but let's see what we got for funds. Now we got 439. Okay. Let's see what we got. 3.24%. I'm just looking at these numbers. It was at 5. It's climbing. This is pretty good, boy. It's FUNFAIR. I'm glad that I just was holding in there on it.